Hey guys, so we have a customer FL5 over here. He was already coming to pick up the HVI for his car by PRL. We said, hey, if you want to drop the car to us, we'll install it for you. So let's go through that process. We've already taken some before clips of the car doing some revs. We're going to plug those in now. Then we're going to go through the install and we're going to take some clips afterwards. We're not going to drive the car today, just a short time span that we have with the car. So let's get through with the install.
When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind works backwards just for a minute, I hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember, I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Alright guys, so here we are. Intake is finished install. We took a couple of videos and then we also did the time lapse of the install as well. Take a look. Everything's all finished. Apparently two-step performance is working on a tube that is one piece from here to there. Kind of takes away some of the complications of using that plastic piece and the two silicone hoses. We're looking forward to that. Let me start up the car and I'll give you some sound clips with how it sounds.